morning, children. It's nice to meet you again. I hope you're all safe and sound at home. Shall we say the prayer? Our Father in heaven, hallowed be your name. Your kingdom come, your will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread and forgive us our sins as we forgive those who sin against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. For yours is the kingdom, the power and the glory, forever and ever. Amen. God bless you all, children. Take care.
Hello children, I welcome you all to first standard mathematics class. In this video, we are going to learn Unit 2 numbers. From page number 31 to page number 35. Next, let us see, complete the pattern. First one, 10, 20, 30. Children, look at this pattern. All the numbers end with 0. So, we have to continue to write the numbers that end with 0. Children, using the above number chart, tell me what will be the next number in this pattern? Yes, number 40. Here, the number ends with 0. So, write 40 here. Then what will be the next number in this pattern? Yes, number 50. Here, the number ends with 0. So, write 50 here. Children, what are the numbers that end with 0 in the above number chart after 50? Yes, number 60, 70, 80, 90. End with 0. So, write 60, 70, 80 and 90. Therefore, the pattern is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Let us see the next pattern. 5, 15, 25. Children, can you guess the rule used here? Correct. We have to write the numbers that end with 5. Children, from the above number chart, what are the numbers that end with 5 after 25? Number 35, 45, 55, 65, 75, 85 and 95 are the numbers end with 5. So write 35, 45, 55, 65, 75, 85 and 95. Therefore, the pattern is 5, 15, 25, 35, 45, 55, 65, 75, 85 and 95. Children, do the remaining one sum as homework. Now let us see, write the missing numbers by forward counting. Children, forward counting means முன்னோக்கி எண்ணுதல். First let us see what is forward counting.
This is Kiki on the guava tree. Say hello, Kiki. He is collecting guavas in his basket for his baby monkey. So far he has collected 3 guavas and he wants to collect 2 more. But Kiki wants to know how many guavas he will have in total. Let us help Kiki find out the total number of guavas with the help of forward counting. Now you must be wondering what forward counting is. The order in which we count numbers starting from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on is called forward counting. Notice that you are actually adding 1 to the previous number as we move 1 step forward. Using this concept, let us now help Kiki. You already know he had 3 guavas and he wants to add 2 more. Notice he makes the first move to collect the 4th guava and then he makes the second move to collect the 5th guava. Look, he moved 2 times. And notice, 3 plus 2 gives us 5. A lot more guavas on the tree. Kiki wants more and he starts picking more guavas. Look, he picked 5 more guavas to get a total of 10 guavas. Wow! Kiki suddenly remembers that his best buddy likes eating guavas too. So he again moves forward to collect more guavas. Poor Kiki, he could just move 3 more times as there is no space in the basket.
Remember children, forward counting is counting by adding one more number every time. For example, take number 2. If we add one more to 2, that is 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. Therefore, 3 is forward number of 2. Now, look at the table children. Number 34. What is the forward number of 34? If we add one more number to 34, we get 35. That is 34 plus 1 is equal to 35. Therefore, 35 is the forward number of 34. So, write 35 here. The next number is 36. The forward number of 36 is 37. Then number 37. What is the forward number of 37? If we add one more number to 37, we get 38. That is 37 plus 1 is equal to 38. Therefore, 38 is the forward number of 37. So, write 38 here. Then number 38. What is the forward number of 38? If we add one more number to 38, we get 39. That is 38 plus 1 is equal to 39. Therefore, 39 is the forward number of 38. So, write 39 here. Then 40 is the forward number of 39. Then the number is 40. What is the forward number of 40? If we add one more number to 40, we get 41. That is 40 plus 1 is equal to 41. Therefore, 41 is the forward number of 40. So, write 41 here. Then the number is 41. What is the forward number of 41? If we add one more number to 41, we get 42. That is 41 plus 1 is equal to 42. Therefore, 42 is the forward number of 41. So, write 42 here. Then the number is 42. 43 is the forward number of 42. Likewise, write the forward number for each below given number by yourself children. Next let us see, write the missing numbers by backward counting. First let us see what is backward counting. Backward counting means பின்னோக்கி எண்ணுதல்.
He is finally home. He wishes to give 4 guavas to his baby, but he wonders how many guavas he would be left with after that. Let us now help him find out the number of guavas he would be left with using backward counting. Note that in backward counting, you count numbers in the reverse order. That means you are actually subtracting 1 from the number to move backward. Using this concept, we are going to help Kiki. Remember, that Kiki had collected 13 guavas in total. So, in order to give away 4, he must start backward counting from number 13. Look how he does by reverse counting from 13, 12, 11, 10, 9. Notice he did 4 counts backwards, so 13 minus 4 is 9. Kiki must also leave aside 3 guavas for his best buddy. He is now finally left with only 6 guavas.
Remember children, backward counting is counting by removing 1 or subtracting 1 every time. For example, take number 7. If we subtract 1 from 7, we get 6. That is 7 minus 1 is equal to 6. So 6 is the backward number of 7. Now see here, number 12. If we remove or subtract 1 from 12, we get 11. So 11 is the backward number of 12. Then number 11. What is the backward number of 11? If we subtract 1 from 11, we get 10. That is 11 minus 1 is equal to 10. Therefore, 10 is the backward number of 11. So write 10 here. Then number 10. What is the backward number of 10? If we subtract 1 from 10, we get 9. That is 10 minus 1 is equal to 9. Therefore, 9 is the backward number of 10. So write 9 here. Then number 9. If we subtract 1 from 9, we get 8. Therefore, 8 is the backward number of 9. Then number 8. What is the backward number of 8? If we subtract 1 from 8, we get 7. That is 8 minus 1 is equal to 7. Therefore, 7 is the backward number of 8. So write 7 here. Then number 7. What is the backward number of 7? If we subtract 1 from 7, we get 6. That is 7 minus 1 is equal to 6. Therefore, 6 is the backward number of 7. So write 6 here. Then number 6. If we subtract 1 from 6, we get 5. Therefore, 5 is the backward number of 6. Now, number 5. What is the backward number of 5? If we subtract 1 from 5, we get 4. That is, 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. Therefore, 4 is the backward number of 5. So write 4 here. Now the number is 4. If we subtract 1 from 4, we get 3. Therefore, 3 is the backward number of 4. Likewise, write the backward number for each below given number by yourself, children. Next, let us see skip counting.
Dear friend, shall we skip jump over these stones to reach the other side of the river? Yes, friend. It will be very happy if we skip jump over the stones. Okay, I will jump on the green stones. Then I will jump first. I am going to jump on the pink stones. Now you jump on the green stones. You jumped very good, my dear friend.
My dear children, can you repeat the numbers that the rabbit skip jump on the pink stones? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Dear children, can you repeat the numbers that the rabbit skip jump on the green stones? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Skip counting. Skip counting by 2's forward. Dear students, shall we write the numbers where the rabbit going to skip jump by 2's forward? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19. Skip counting by 3's forward. Now, shall we write the numbers where the rabbit is going to skip jump by 3's forward? 1, 4, 7, 10, 13, 16, 19. Skip counting by 2's backward. Shall we write the numbers where the rabbit is going to skip jump by 2's backward? 20, 18, 16, 14, 12, 10, 8, 6, 4, 2. Skip counting by 3's backward. Shall we write the numbers where the rabbit is going to skip jump by 3's backward? 20, 17, 14, 11, 8, 5, 2.
Next, let us see. Complete the table by skip counting 2's. Children, we have to do skip counting by 2's for the below given number to complete the table. Children, we have to keep adding 2 to the previous numbers. Take number 80. If we add 2 to 80, we get 82. That is 80 plus 2 is equal to 82. Therefore, 82 is the next number to 80 in skip counting by 2's. Next, if we add 2 to 82, we get 84. Therefore, 84 is the next number to 82 in skip counting by 2's. Likewise, if we add 2 to 84, we get 86. Therefore, 86 is the next number to 84 in skip counting by 2's. Next, the number is 86. If we add 2 to 86, we get 88. That is, 86 plus 2 is equal to 88. Therefore, 88 is the next number to 86 in skip counting by 2's. Then, number 88. If we add 2 to 88, we get 90. That is, 88 plus 2 is equal to 90. Therefore, 90 is the next number to 88 in skip counting by 2's. Likewise, if we add 2 to 90, we get 92. Therefore, 92 is the next number to 90 in skip counting by 2's. Now the number is 92. What is the next number to 92 in skip counting by 2's? If we add 2 to 92, we get 94. That is, 92 plus 2 is equal to 94. Therefore, 94 is the next number to 92 in skip counting by 2's. Now the number is 94. What is the next number to 94 in skip counting by 2's? If we add 2 to 94, we get 96. That is, 94 plus 2 is equal to 96. Therefore, 96 is the next number to 94 in skip counting by 2's. Now the number is 96. What is the next number to 96 in skip counting by 2's? If we add 2 to 96, we get 98. That is, 96 plus 2 is equal to 98. Therefore, 98 is the next number to 96 in skip counting by 2's. Likewise, find the numbers in skip counting by 2's for the below given numbers to complete the table by yourself, children. Next, let us see complete the table by skip counting 3's. Children, we have to do skip counting by 3's for the below given number to complete the table. Children, we have to keep adding 3 to the previous number. Take number 53. If we add 3 to 53, we get 56. Therefore, 56 is the next number to 53 in skip counting by 3's. Now, the number is 56. What is the next number to 56 in skip counting by 3's? If we add 3 to 56, we get 59. That is, 56 plus 3 is equal to 59. Therefore, 59 is the next number to 56 in skip counting by 3's. Now, the number is 59. What is the next number to 59 in skip counting by 3's? If we add 3 to 59, we get 62. That is, 59 plus 3 is equal to 62. Therefore, 62 is the next number to 59 in skip counting by 3's. Now, the number is 62. What is the next number to 62 in skip counting by 3's? If we add 3 to 62, we get 65. That is, 62 plus 3 is equal to 65. Therefore, 65 is the next number to 62 in skip counting 3's. Likewise, if we add 3 to 65, we get 68. Therefore, 68 is the next number to 65 in skip counting 3's. Now the number is 68. What is the next number to 68 in skip counting 3's? If we add 3 to 68, we get 71. That is, 68 plus 3 is equal to 71. Therefore, 71 is the next number to 68 in skip counting 3's. Now the number is 71. What is the next number to 71 in skip counting threes? If we add 3 into 71, we get 74. That is 71 plus 3 is equal to 74. Therefore, 74 is the next number to 71 in skip counting threes. Now the number is 74. What is the next number to 74 in skip counting threes? If we add 3 into 74, we get 77. That is 74 plus 3 is equal to 77. Therefore, 77 is the next number to 74 in skip counting threes. Likewise, if we add 3 to 77, we get 80. Therefore, 80 is the next number to 77 in skip counting threes. Likewise, find the numbers in skip counting by threes for the below given numbers to complete the table by yourself, children. Next, let us see. Write the missing numbers. First one, 2, 4, 6. Look at this number line, children. 2, 4, 6. Can you guess the rule used in it? It is skip counting by twos. So, what will be the next number? Yes, number 8. Children, can you tell me all the missing numbers now? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18 and 20. It is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18 and 20. Let us see the second one. 3, 6, 9. Look at this number line, children. 3, 6, 9. Can you guess the rule used in it? It is skip counting by threes. So, what will be the next number? 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. Can you tell me the missing numbers? 12, 15, 18, 21, 24 and 27. So, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27 and 30. Next, let us see. Do the skip counting by twos, threes, starting from 2 and 3 respectively in the given table. Shade the number with yellow color for twos and green color for threes. Children, from number 1 to number 99 are given in the below chart. We have to find the number in skip counting by twos and we have to color the numbers in yellow. Then we have to find the number in skip counting by threes and we have to color the numbers in green. The first number is 2 in skip counting by twos. After 2, skip 3, select 4. That is 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. We have to color this number with yellow. Now, the number is 4 in skip counting by twos. After 4, skip 5 and select 6. That is 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. Now we have to color this number with yellow. Now the number is 6 in skip counting by twos. After 6, skip 7 and select 8. That is 6 plus 2 is equal to 8. Now we have to color this number with yellow. Now the number is 8 in skip counting by twos. After 8, skip 9 and select 10. That is 8 plus 2 is equal to 10. Now we have to color this number with yellow. Likewise, if you have finished skip counting by 2's, the table should be like this only. Then, the first number is 3 in skip counting by 3's. Then, 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. Then, 6 plus 3 is equal to 9. We have to color these numbers with green. Likewise, if you have finished skip counting by 3's, the table should be like this only. Then, have you shaded any numbers more than one color? What are they? Write them in the given boxes. Children, using the above colored number chart, we have to find the number that are colored with more than one color. That is, the number should be colored with both yellow and green. Children, what are the numbers that are colored with both yellow and green? Yes, number 6. It is colored with both yellow and green. So, write 6 here. Then, which number is colored with both yellow and green? Yes, number 12. It is colored with both yellow and green. So, write 12 here. Then, which number is colored with both yellow and green? Number 18. It is colored with both yellow and green. So, write 18 here. Children, then, what are the numbers that are colored with both yellow and green? Number 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60, 66, 72, 78, 84, 90 and 96 are the numbers colored with both yellow and green. So write 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60, 66, 72, 78, 84, 90, 96. Therefore, 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60, 66, 72, 78, 84, 90, 96 are the numbers colored with both yellow and green. This is the end of January month portion. I request you to learn and be ready for the online test. Thank you, children.